for those who are at home, this version is the DJI Tello. Okay. And then in the DJI Tello, we can launch the Tello app. So the Tello app looks something like this. So you guys can also go to the Google Store and find the Tello app. Yeah. Okay. So in the Tello app, there will be this feature. Let me show some of the things inside the Tello app feature. So over here, I've already launched the app here from my phone. So I'm screencasting what's on my phone. So it say press the power button on the side to the aircraft, blah, 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 blah. And then we're going to connect it to the Wi-Fi, and then we're going to connect it to the Tello. Okay. So over here, we should be able to see the Tello. Let me go back first. Okay, the Tello connect. Yeah, so I connect straight via Wi-Fi to the Tello. All right, and then now I'm going to go back to the app. I'm going to click here. I'm going to put take off. All right, so as you can see, okay, so now, yeah, we can also show from the app on the drone, right? That is flying. Yeah. Then I'm going to go back to the app. Okay. And then let it land. Okay, so it has landed. So this is the simplest way to control the app. So you must set up the Wi-Fi first, and then you use the Tello app. All right. So now everybody can try. So I'm going to show you the unboxing also from this who's Brandon's video. No, please don't do that. So now I'm gonna connect to the Tello, but before that, I'm gonna do some simple block coding. So I'm gonna say take off. Then I'm gonna do some navigation. Then maybe I'll say set speed to then fly forward. Then you can scroll down, then hover. Take off hover for 5 seconds. And fly forward, fly backwards. And if I want to do it a few times, in coding, we normally do not want to repeat ourselves, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to repeat all this. So you will go forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward, and come back same place, and then after that we will just
Wi-Fi one is the higher it is, the lesser it is.
land for 5 seconds. Land for 5 seconds. No, I'm just gonna throw it. If you don't want, you just remove the code, okay? And then you can get it to land, all right? All right, so to do that, you just have to connect and then test it out next time when we have a chance. I'm going to end the session for the class, and then after that, we will go out to fly the thing. Yeah, I'm going to go over to, yeah. So it's just very basic block coding, okay? The order to connect it is to connect to the school wireless or your home wireless, open the drone app, go down the steps. Later I'll send you all the steps. Then you can repeat the cycle, and then you remember to save your mission, all right? So how to save your mission? You go back to this section here.